Okay, let's start with the lecture. Good afternoon to all once again. So, we were talking about Excel and its features last time. We were discussing about functions. So, we'll continue. And the next topic today we'll cover up will be your charts and all. How do you create charts from any kind of table you have created on Excel? And we'll discuss about different kind of components of the charts and the types of the chart and how we can format these charts, right? So let's move on. I'll just go to the book. So we'll talk about using charts now. Creating charts in Excel. See, chart is a pictorial representation of whatever data we have on the worksheet. So basically जो कुछ भी टेबल फॉर्म में है आपके पास ना, उसको हम पिक्चर फॉर्म में वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट द डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिक्चर. Why do we use this? Why do we do this? The reason is that charts help us to analyze the data in a better way, right? Analyze का मतलब है जो भी चार्ट बना है, जो भी डेटा है आपके टेबल के अंदर, उसको कंपेयर करना हो, अगर इफ यू वांट टू कंपेयर इट विद some other part, so that comparisons can be easily done with the help of charts, right? Now, how do we create a chart? The very first thing we need to do is go to insert tab. There you'll find a chart group. Out of this group you'll find different types of categories of charts. You just select the one that you want to use, that you want to add up into your sheet. So that chart will be automatically added, right? So once the chart is added, then there are different components of charts. So if you talk about components, one second, one. Okay, so the components of the charts are like this. If you see on the top, we have the chart title. Then on the background of that, we have this chart area. And if you talk about this area where the graph is shown, ये जो background है इसको हम plot area बोलते हैं. And these values that you see on each of these series are called as labels, data labels. और ये जो कलरफुल बार्स हैं इनको हम डेटा सीरीज बोलते हैं. On the bottom you can find the axis title is written. This is the horizontal axis title and this is the vertical axis title, right? So y-axis and x-axis, there y-axis is also called as value axis because generally values are shown here, and x-axis is called as category axis because generally categories are shown like this. These are the categories. There are names written over here. These are the categories and these are the values. Fine. At the bottom of the chart you'll find, it is not always bottom, it can be on the left side also, right side also. This is called as a legend. Now legend help us to identify different kind of series here, like ये blue वाला है first quarter sale और red वाला second quarter sale है, right? So, and one more thing, we have some sort of lines in the plot area, background lines. These lines at the background are called as grid lines, and these grid lines help us um, to identify the value of one particular data series के इस data series की कितनी value है, क्योंकि ये जो data labels हैं ये default settings में नहीं होता है. You can add it at various layouts and all we can change, but if these values are not there, then these grid lines will help us to make out कि भाई ये 9000 जो है वो कहाँ कहाँ है, like that. So data series की values we can easily find out with the help of these grid lines, right? Then we have different types of charts. Types of charts में एक pie chart है. Pie chart is basically used where we want to show details of one particular series. Now this is the disadvantage of using a pie chart, that it shows only the details of one particular um, data series only. लाइक फर्स्ट क्वार्टर सेल का एक पाई चार्ट बनेगा। आप अगर बोलोगे चारों क्वार्टर सेल्स एक साथ दिखा दो पाई चार्ट पे, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल पाई चार्ट्स। फॉर दैट वी हैव टू प्रेफर दिस column chart only, right, or some other format. This is the column chart where you can see four different series are shown, और ये सारी सीरीज अलग अलग हैं। जैसे ग्रीन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज फर्स्ट क्वार्टर सेल, ब्लू सेकेंड क्वार्टर सेल, येलो थर्ड quarter sale, and this dark green is the fourth quarter sale. Fine. So likewise you can just generate column charts where x-axis is always your category axis, and the y-axis is always your value axis, right? And when we show all these columns and in one chart only, we call this as clustered column chart, where we are showing four different series at one time. Bar chart is just like column chart. The only difference is that the category axis moves to y-axis and the value axis moves to the x-axis, right? Rest all is same. Line chart में all the values are represented in the form of, all the series are represented in the form of lines, right? And the dots on the lines uh, so dots on the lines, they are shown to represent the values. This dot shows that what is the value of this Atul, right? What is the fourth quarter sale of Atul? It is 10,000. Red one shows that it is between 8 to 10, that is 9,000, right? So these dots are just shown to represent the values that they carry, data values, right? And the area chart is just similar to line chart. The only difference is that के जो नीचे वाला area है line chart के नीचे वाला, line के नीचे वाला, all is filled in solid, right? And one more problem over area chart is that if one series has got larger value and the other series has got lesser value, so that will hide behind this, we will not be able to see. So for that, what we can do is we can use this three-dimensional form of area chart, where you can see the things in 3D, where you can make out कि भी कौन सी data series की value कहाँ पे है, right? Then we have scatter chart. Scatter chart is uses horizontal and vertical axis to plot the data points. Instead of lines, we have points over here, right? And so both the axes, they show the things in numeric, and there's a relationship shown between everything. So here the only difference in scatter chart is that we don't have categories here, we have numbers here, right? And we have markers in the relevant. These markers, the blue dots, are used for first quarter sale, and likewise, right? Scatter chart can have markers for the data pointed, which are plotted, and that can also be connected to lines when there are too many data points. When we have more than one data type, then it's easy for us to connect to, we can draw lines also. So when there is too many of data points, so it's difficult to compare and difficult to find out, then we can create lines also, right? Then we can create chart in two ways. Either the chart is embedded chart, second one is the chart sheet. Embedded chart is the one which is used within one particular sheet only, and chart sheet is that you can uh, create a sheet on a new kind of sheet, right? So by default on worksheet, if you see, there are three worksheets in one particular workbook. सो अगर आप पहली शीट पे आपका डेटा है, आपका टेबल है, और आप उसी शीट पे चार्ट बनाते हो, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एम्बेडेड चार्ट। और अगर आप चार्ट को दूसरे शीट पे शिफ्ट करते हो, देन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ए चार्ट शीट, right? There's a separate sheet for that, and there's an option to do this. By default, embedded charts are created. To create this chart sheet, there's an option there in the top insert menu, right? So how do we create in chart? Go to insert, select the charts that you want to apply, and then you just select the रेंज सोर्स डेटा यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट कि कहाँ से लेके कहाँ तक की वैल्यूज को हमने ऐड करना है, राइट. एंड देन once the chart is added, then there are three buttons which are automatically added on the top. एक डिज़ाइन है, एक लेआउट है, एक फॉर्मेट है. डिज़ाइन में जाके आप किसी भी चार्ट का जो डिज़ाइन फॉर्मेट है, यू कैन चेंज दैट. Layout में we can change the layout of this particular chart. Layout means where these components are to be placed, right. ये जो जैसे लेजेंड है, लेजेंड को नीचे लगाना है, राइट साइड लगाना है, टॉप पे लगाना है, राइट. या इनके ऊपर डेटा लेबल शो करने हैं, नहीं करने हैं. सो सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी कैन चेंज इन लेआउट्स, राइट. And format also, format may we can change the format, like this blue color of data series, you want to change this into red or some other color, so that can be done in format tab, right. If we talk about design tab, design tab में एक chart styles हैं जो inbuilt ready-made kind of styles are there in the design tab. So if you want to implement any of the following, you can just select from this drop down arrow. So that kind of design you can apply straight away, right. Then if you want to change a chart type, then you can easily change it from the design tab. Click on the change chart type button on the type group of the design type. ये बिल्कुल लेफ्ट साइड में ये बटन होता है change chart type, right. From there you can change it. So the dialog box open up, and then click on the desired data type template and then click OK. So that will help us to change. Like if I'm using a column chart, I want to change into bar chart. So आप यहाँ पे जाइए change data type and then you can change it into some other form, right. Then there's an option called as switch row and column. Switch and row and column में क्या होता है कि जैसे these are the two forms. One is this, that x-axis represent the categories and y-axis is the values, right. And if you want to interchange, right, in that case what happen is यहाँ पे वो क्या कर रहा है कि data is displayed on the y-axis will display it on the x-axis and vice versa. So जो यहाँ पे डेटा आ रहा था वो आपके x-axis पे आएगा, और आपको यहाँ पे series, you can see series are given and here the names are written, right. So it can be changed from rows to column and columns to rows. Then if you want to change the data, select the data in the data group of the design tab, right. And then select data source dialog box. This is the data source dialog box. Click on add, right. And there's an option called as edit. From there you can edit the things, and then click on the series name text box and select the cell total marks from the table. This is how what we are doing. We can change the data source in the chart. Data source का मतलब यह है कि कहाँ से, जहाँ से हम लोग डेटा उठा रहे हैं, right, जहाँ से डेटा यूज करके we are creating the chart, right. So that we can do it from this particular option, select data source. आप यहाँ पे देखो ऊपर जो है, you'll find the sheet number in which that data lies and what are the cell number, cell range is also given जहाँ से हम लोग value ले रहे हैं. And one way is you just select this, go to that sheet, select the area, new area, select the new number of cells that you want to use, तो automatically यहाँ पे आपकी range change हो जाएगी. Fine. And these are the settings related to legend entries. जो legend में है आपके नाम, जैसे पहले यहाँ पे सीरीज था, आप टेबल पे देखा होगा यहाँ पे सीरीज लिखा है, और सेकेंड वन में यहाँ पे नेम्स है. so that we can change. Now these are the names and these are the series. If you want to change the series with some new name, like if you want to show category here, edit में जाओ और यहाँ पे category लिख दो, तो यहाँ पे category आ जाएगा series 1 की जगह पे. Likewise, if you want to change these values also, you can change from here, right. So ये दोनों तरह के फॉर्म्स हैं, if you select row wise and if you select column wise. Fine. So like this, edit series, we can change the series. In layouts, we have different designs, which are inbuilt designs. If you see this, यहाँ पे legend is on the right side. We have the title on the top. Here, title and legend both are on the top. We have some data values above every series. यहाँ पे legend नीचे चला गया. यहाँ पे भी legend नीचे है, but यहाँ पे grid lines नहीं है और सिर्फ data values हैं. Data values मतलब ये जो ऊपर values आ रही हैं. इस ये वाला layout में values नहीं है, यहाँ पे values भी हैं. So these are different kinds of layouts you can see. The next one, if you see at the bottom, will also have the table, the actual table from where the data has been taken. So these are all different kinds of layout that you can choose and then apply on the chart, right? ये वो ऑप्शन है मूव चार्ट का जहाँ से हम एम्बेडेड चार्ट के बजाय चार्ट शीट पे मूव कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स कि आपका डेटा इज ऑन शीट 1 एंड यू वांट टू मूव your chart to sheet 2, let's say. So for that we have to go to this option. This option is on the extreme right side of the design tab. ये लास्ट में आप देखो मूव चार्ट बटन है on the right side. When you click this, you'll get this dialog box, right? So न्यू शीट पे जाना है. न्यू शीट पे आपका चार्ट पड़ा है और ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन दी शीट 1, right? So when you click OK, you'll find one new sheet is added at the bottom. आपका चार्ट नई शीट पे होगा और आपकी जो डेटा है वो शीट 1 पे होगा, right? So this will move a chart to the next sheet. Then is how do we work with the layouts? In layouts, I told you that we can change the layout from the layout tab. Like chart title, there is a tab from where you can simply change the layout of the chart. Layout में क्या है कि जैसे chart title में there is an option called as none. If you click on the none, this chart title which is coming on the top, that will be removed. And then above chart there is an option which is default. Above chart मतलब chart के बिल्कुल ऊपर आएगा और एक centered overlay title है, मतलब वो जो plot area है नीचे जहाँ पे grid lines है वहाँ पे chart title show करेगा. So likewise adding a legend, ये legends की सारी positions हैं, ये layout में जाके आप सारी change कर सकते हो, left, right, center, top, bottom. So whatever way you want to go you can go. एडिंग डेटा लेबल्स जो मैं बात कर रहा था कि हर डेटा सीरीज के ऊपर यू कैन पुट दीज लेबल्स कि इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है. सो इफ यू गो विद नन then no labels will be shown. If you go with show, then values that these labels will be shown on each and every data series, right? Then there's an option to show the table. There are three options. By default it is none है तो नीचे table नहीं आएगा. Show data table will show you table at the bottom. हर data series के नीचे उनकी values के साथ उनकी categories भी लिखी होंगी. और if you go with show data table with legend key, it will also show the legend key here. So whatever legend key is used, you will get the legend key here, right? And if you go with only table, so this column will not be there. Only these, this table will be there. Then is changing the grid lines. In the grid lines option, you'll have none. First of all, there is no line at the background. If you see lines at the background, major lines will have lines with a distance, larger distance, and minor lines will have more lines in between. The distance between the lines will be lesser. ठीक है. मेजर एंड माइनर लाइंस जहाँ पे दोनों दिखाएगा, वो मेजर लाइंस भी होंगी, माइनर लाइंस भी होंगी, राइट? तो ये दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है कि मेजर लाइंस में डिस्टेंस जो है लाइंस का ज़्यादा होता है, माइनर लाइंस में जो लाइंस में डिस्टेंस है कम होगा, ठीक है. एंड these grid lines can be formed both in horizontal way as well as vertical way. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रिड लाइंस की ऑप्शन, ये वर्टिकल ग्रिड लाइंस की ऑप्शन है, और चारों ऑप्शन दोनों में होती हैं, राइट? If you want vertical grid lines also, then you can use that also. Then is formatting a chart. So formatting a chart मतलब chart का जो भी look है उसको change करना. If you want to change that look into some new thing, you can do that. For that we have shape styles, then word art style and shape effects. click on the object, like if we want the background, that chart area to be formatted, so click on the chart area anywhere, right? Now under the shape styles group, there's a drop down list. As you can see, these are different kinds of inbuilt shapes, so you can choose whichever shape you want to apply. So वो shape आपके जो भी आपने सेलेक्ट, अगर आपने चार्ट एरिया सेलेक्ट किया है तो चार्ट फुल चार्ट पे आपका वो शेप अप्लाई हो जाएगा. अगर आपने प्लॉट एरिया सेलेक्ट किया है तो दैट शेप विल बी अप्लाई टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लॉट एरिया ओनली, नॉट ऑन द फुल चार्ट, right? Similarly, if you want to apply the changes to these series also, you click on the series, and then you'll, all these changes will be applied to that particular series only. Likewise, for every control we can do this. For every control we can change the shape styles, and then we can also change the format in the format tab, like this. Fill shape fill option is to change the color. Shape outline is to change the border line. Effects are used to give some effects like 3D effects, or some background effects or shade effects, or you can see shadow effects and such kind of thing. And from here we can alter the writing, the sentence, the text that is written, like ये student details लिखा है, इसको change करना है तो उसका format यहाँ से change होगा. इसके भी text fill option है, text color option है, text outline color option है, और text effects option है. Similarly like this, text fill जो है उसके background में color fill करेगा जहाँ पे भी text है. आउटलाइन में जो लाइंस हैं उनका कलर चेंज होगा. इफेक्ट्स में शेडो और ऐसी इफेक्ट्स आप ऐड कर सकते हो टेक्स्ट के साथ, right? So then we can also put spark lines in the text in the table. Spark lines, as you see, these are the lines which indicates the height of the height of the lines indicates the value. It depends upon the value, right? कितना वो increasing order में है या decreasing order में है. So for that you select the range where you want to apply. Like in this case A2 to D5, we all full table is selected. Go to insert tab, go to spark lines group, choose the line option from there, whichever line you want to. There are different line options there. So choose the line option that you want to add up, and then create a dialog box will open up. Select the range again where you want the spark line to locate. कहाँ पे आपको spark line लगानी है वो वाली range को select करो, right? Cell reference automatically यहाँ पे range में आ जाएंगे. As you see A2 to D5 will be there, और location range पे आपको ये select करना है कि आपको ये spark lines कहाँ show करनी है, right? Once it is done, click OK button. That lines will be added automatically, right? These spark lines also can be edited in the design tab. Like you can add some data points in between, high, low, first, last, etc. This can be done from the design tab only, right? So that's it from this topic. Let's go to Excel and practice all this once. Let me open one Excel file. So now let's have this is the table. Select the table first, go to insert, choose the chart, whichever type, like I'll choose a column chart only. So that chart will be automatically created, right? Now we'll talk about change chart type. You'll see this is the design tab. From here we can choose different kinds of design that you want to apply, like a black background color wala hai. So such designs can be changed from here, fine. and then change chart type may you can change the type, like in place of this column chart, you want a bar chart, so choose the bar chart from here and click OK. So this will be converted into bar chart. Likewise, you can create a pie chart out of it. So it all depends upon the selection that you make. Three-dimensional charts, right? So from here we can change this, and when you click on switch row button, see the difference is that this is default setting, where you can see the categories are at the bottom and the values are here in the y axis, right? These are the marks of A, B, C, D, and these are the values, right? But if you want other way, so these are the marks of A, B, C, D. The marks column is written here, and whatever categories are there, they are written on one side in the legend part. So this can also be done. If you want this format, you can choose this format. If you want that format, you can choose that format. There's no problem. Fine. Select data. As you see, I told you, if you want to change your selection, this is the range given here. You just select this completely and choose the next part. Right now यहाँ पे कोई भी value नहीं है, so and click OK to add. Right now this chart will have these values. So if you put some values here, so your charts will be created accordingly. Fine. So I'll change this into the previous one. Fine. So then talking about chart layouts, you see these are the different layouts. This is the one which is default. Here the layout, the legend goes on the top. There's no grid line. Here we also have grid lines, but the legend goes at the bottom, and we have a chart title on the top. So likewise, this is without chart title, and data values are also shown. So default में data values नहीं दिखती हैं आपको, यहाँ पे data values भी दिखेंगी, but grid lines are not there, right? And these are the series is written over here, name of the series. Likewise, so this is the default setting. I'll make this into normal effect without 3D, so that it's easier for us to understand. Now if you see here, the darker lines are the major grid lines, the smaller lines, the thinner lines, the weaker lines, they are minor grid lines. So we can add up these lines also. So likewise, you can choose the layout that you want to add up, and then this is the move chart button. If you click on this, now our new sheet will be added as chart 1. You can change the name also, whatever name you want to give. So the chart 1, and then object is in sheet 1. We have sheet 1, object lies here. ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब उसका सोर्स कहाँ पे है, टेबल कहाँ पे है, और इससे वे नई शीट ऐड होगी. वी हैव 3 शीट्स ओवर हेयर. फोर्थ शीट विल बी एडेड, जिसका नाम चार्ट 1 होगा, और इसका जो चार्ट है उस शीट पे मूव कर जाएगा. सी हियर. So we have to specify which sheet you want to use, where the chart should go. Like if I go with sheet 3, now the chart will move to sheet 3. You see sheet 3 पे chart आ गया, sheet 1 पे आपका object था. ठीक है. So this can be done if in case you want this to, right? To bring it back, again go to design tab, move chart. From here go to sheet 1. So this will come, bring it back to the sheet 1. So that's all about design tab. Similarly, we have layout tab, where you can see the chart title की settings. Above chart पे title यहाँ आ गया, center layout पे वो legend सॉरी ग्रिड लाइंस के ऊपर चार्ट टाइटल चला जाएगा. और if you want to change this, the best way is straight away type here marks of the students. Similarly, names, marks like that. Fine. So this is how we change this. Then next is a category. You want the title below axis, or you don't want the title, so that title will be removed. Similarly, for horizontal also, the title will be removed. If you want to show it, you can just click on any of the options. This is rotated title, or title, vertical title, or third one is horizontal title, right? Likewise, legend option, ये legend by default top पे है, ये आपका right side पे हो गया, right? This is with the title, and ये bottom पे आ गया, और this is again bottom. Legend is overlapping here, likewise. So whichever way you want, you can just add up that part. Data labels, if you want to show, by default it is none. Labels are coming at the center of the series, and then if you want it on the top, it will come on the top. Likewise, we have different options. ये axis, left to right axis, show axis with the labeling, that this will remove the axis. Likewise, so you can choose the options that you want to add up here. Fine. And these are the grid lines. Grid lines, by default, if you want to remove, so lines will be removed. And if you want to add only major lines, these are the major lines, and these are the minor lines only, and these are major and minor both. Likewise, you can do it on vertical part also. Major grid lines on the vertical lines, these are straight lines like this, and then minor grid lines and major grid lines which are vertical. Likewise, so you can give these values also. Show plot area, and if you don't want to show it, you can remove that part also, right? And lastly, we have format, from where we can format. As I told you, like we have selected the chart area, so we can change the background. Similarly, select the plot area. Right now, here we have selected the plot area. Come to the, click on the border, and then you can change the, apply the shape style there, or you can change it from here if you want to change the color, right? And if you want to change the text, click on the title and change the text, or you can change the color from here also. Outlines, if you want, don't want outline, likewise. तो जिस कंट्रोल को चेंज करना है, the best way is आप उसको सेलेक्ट करो और डबल क्लिक करो या राइट क्लिक करो, right click, format data series, fill effect, choose a color, or choose gradient where we have mixing of colors. You can choose the gradient, or you can add a picture, right? You can see the solid fill, this is gradient fill, and then these are pictures if you want to add up a pattern, and if you don't want anything, nothing can be there. So likewise, you can change whatever way you want to. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे Fine. So whatever format you want to do, like border, if you want to show, the borders can be shown, right? Likewise, glow effects, 3D effects you can give. Okay. So whatever format you want to change, you can simply do it, right? So that's it from my side. Just practice this at home, and then we'll discuss in case